Looking for an outlet for unlimited creativity? Take control of the new DAJA laser engraver. It's powerful, affordable, and easy to use. 3W power allows you to quickly carve out your creativity. Highly accurate for precise engraving. Easily sees the details at 0.05 millimeter accuracy. Easily create custom designs, patterns, or text and engrave in minutes. Engraves on any surface. Simply sketch out your idea and leave the rest to DAJA. A creative feast is ready. In addition to engraving, DAJA also cuts material. Why not piece together a world map? The semi-open aluminum structure is sturdy and durable and allows for unlimited engraving sizes and angles. DAJA has comprehensive security features. A portable security cover. A specially designed cooling fan. The DAJA laser engraver. Engrave wallets. Engrave tools. Carve out artwork. With coated metals, DAJA can be spontaneously creative. DAJA. Engrave everyday objects and make them extraordinary.